Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint is a two-part water-based epoxy that provides decorative, tough and protective coating for floors and walls and can be re-coated at any time. It is resistant to oil, water, sulfur, solvents, chemicals and petrol, but is not recommended for periods of continuous immersion. Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint can be used to coat cement, masonry and asphalt surfaces. This makes it ideal for factories, warehouses, parking areas, retail spaces, dairies and auto body shops. And at home for the bathroom, garage and patio. Economical Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint is available in a variety of colors and can be recoated with a maintenance coat at any time. All surfaces to be coated must be clean and free of dust, grease and oil, and must be mechanically sound. All holes must be filled with mortar. As long as there is no standing water, you can coat damp surfaces. In fact, very dry surfaces should be dampened to prevent rapid absorption of the water in the coating. If you wish to mask the skirting, do so with masking tape beforehand. On very porous surfaces, dilute the mixed Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint with 10 to 15% of water. Apply and allow to dry for 5 hours. 1 liter of Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint will cover 8 to 10 square meters. That's as much as 50 square meters for a full pack. It has a pot life of between 60 and 90 minutes once mixed. For this reason, mix only as much as you will be able to use in 1 hour. Mix equal quantities of the base and activator. Stir for at least 5 minutes with a flat paddle or use a slow-speed electric drill of approximately 200 revs per minute fitted with a paddle. If working in confined spaces, ensure that there is adequate ventilation and use a respirator. Wet mixed Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint is toxic, so use suitable protective clothing, gloves, eye protection and barrier cream. If working outdoors, make sure that there is no chance of rain or the risk of overnight frost. Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint may be applied with a pre-moistened good quality brush or a good quality short mohair roller, or an airless spray using a 500 micron nozzle. Ideally, the first coat should be applied with a brush, left to right or up and down. Once any coat is touched dry, subsequent coats can be applied. If using a brush, paint in the opposite direction to the previous coat. When you have finished the coat, wash your equipment with soap and water. Where the surface is going to come into contact with oil, water, sulfur solvents or petrol, an additional 2 coats of Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint must be applied. If the surface is going to be exposed to chemicals, 3 additional coats must be applied. After completing the last coat, protect the area from traffic, moisture or spillage until fully cured. Should you be interrupted during application, immerse the brush or roller in water. Clean your equipment with soap and water when you are finished. If you need any further information on Abecote Tough Epoxy Paint, please read the instructions on the package or visit www.abe.co.za.